Welcome to the CFA Level 1 Practice Test 1. Domain, Economics. An unexpected increase in inflation is most likely to benefit which group? A. Individuals holding large amounts of cash. B. Lenders who have provided fixed-rate loans. C. Borrowers who have taken out fixed-rate loans. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Borrowers who have taken out fixed-rate loans. What do monetarist economists consider the primary cause of business cycle fluctuations? A. Technological innovations. B. Fiscal policy actions. C. Money supply growth rates. D. Not applicable. Answer is C. Money supply growth rates. Which core assumption underlies the Black-Scholes-Merton option pricing model? A. The risk-free rate is constant and known. B. The options valued can be American-style options. C. The underlying asset price follows a normal distribution. D. None of the above. Answer is A. The risk-free rate is constant and known. What is a key assumption of the Black-Scholes-Merton option pricing model? A. The underlying asset price follows a log-normal distribution. B. The option is American-style, allowing for early exercise. C. Transaction costs and taxes are explicitly factored into the model. D. All of the above. Answer is A. The underlying asset price follows a log-normal distribution. Where will a monopolistic firm most likely set its output level to maximize profit? A. Price equals marginal cost. B. Marginal revenue equals marginal cost. C. Marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost. D. Not applicable. Answer is B. Marginal revenue equals marginal cost. What is the likely intention behind a central bank selling government securities in open market? A. Decrease the money supply and lower short-term interest rates. B. Increase the money supply and lower short-term interest rates. C. Decrease the money supply and raise short-term interest rates. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Decrease the money supply and raise short-term interest rates. What is the primary intended effect when a central bank sells government securities? A. Commercial bank reserves. B. The fiscal deficit. C. The official policy rate directly. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Commercial bank reserves. According to the Fisher effect, a 1% rise in expected inflation most likely causes A. A 1% increase in the real interest rate. B. A 1% increase in the nominal interest rate. C. A 1% decrease in the nominal interest rate. D. None of the above. Answer is B. A 1% increase in the nominal interest rate. Using arc elasticity, what is the approximate price elasticity of demand when price decreases from 10 to 8 and quantity demanded rises from 100 to 150 units? A. 0.56. B. 1.80. C. 2.50. D. Not applicable. Answer is B. 1.80. Is the statement correct that firms in monopolistic competition operate at output minimizing average total cost in the long run? A. Correct, as long-run economic profits are zero. B. Incorrect, as firms produce with excess capacity. C. Incorrect, as firms set price equal to marginal cost. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Incorrect, as firms produce with excess capacity. Thanks for watching. For more learning videos and tutorials, subscribe to BSP Trainings.